What if I told you there's a world where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies with lightning speed, transparent fees, and a rock-solid reputation for security? A world where you're in direct control of your digital assets, executing trades in real time, and potentially capitalizing on market movements? Welcome, my friends, to the dynamic realm of Kraken spot trading. In today's video, we're going to dive deep, and I mean really deep, into Kraken's spot trading platform. We'll demystify what spot trading actually is, why Kraken is a prime choice for it, and then we'll walk through the entire process, step by step. From setting up your account and funding it, to placing your first buy and sell orders, understanding order types, managing your portfolio, and even touching on advanced strategies and risk management, we're going to cover it all. So, whether you're a complete beginner looking to make your first crypto purchase or an experienced trader aiming to refine your Kraken game, stick around, because this is going to be an invaluable guide. Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room. What is spot trading? Imagine you're at a farmer's market. You see a basket of fresh strawberries, you agree on a price with the farmer, you pay them, and you immediately receive the strawberries. That's spot trading in a nutshell, albeit with digital assets. In the cryptocurrency world, spot trading refers to the immediate buying and selling of digital assets, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, for immediate delivery. When you execute a spot trade, you're exchanging one asset for another at the current market price, with the intention of taking immediate ownership of the purchased asset. There's no leverage involved, no borrowing, and no complex derivatives. It's pure, unadulterated buying and selling. So, why is this important? Because spot trading is the most fundamental and direct way to participate in the cryptocurrency market. It's where the vast majority of crypto transactions occur, and it's how you build your foundational crypto portfolio. Understanding spot trading is crucial for anyone looking to truly own and manage their digital assets. Now, among the myriad of cryptocurrency exchanges out there, why are we focusing on Kraken? Kraken isn't just another exchange, it's a veteran in the crypto space, established in 2011. This longevity speaks volumes about its resilience, adaptability, and commitment to the crypto ecosystem. But its age isn't the only factor. Firstly, security. Kraken has an impeccable security track record. They employ rigorous security measures, including cold storage for the vast majority of client funds, two-factor authentication, global settings lock, and advanced encryption. They've never experienced a significant hack that resulted in the loss of client funds, which is a testament to their robust security infrastructure. In a world where digital asset security is paramount, Kraken stands out as a fortress. Secondly, regulatory compliance. Kraken is one of the most regulated cryptocurrency exchanges globally. They operate under various financial licenses in multiple jurisdictions, which means they adhere to stringent regulatory standards. This commitment to compliance not only fosters trust but also provides a safer and more transparent trading environment for users. Thirdly, liquidity. Kraken boasts deep liquidity for a wide range of trading pairs. What does deep liquidity mean? It means there are always buyers and sellers available, ensuring that your orders are filled quickly and at competitive prices, minimizing slippage. This is crucial for efficient trading, especially for larger orders. Fourthly, fees. Kraken's fee structure is competitive and transparent. They operate on a maker-taker model, which often rewards users who provide liquidity to the market. Their fees are generally lower than many competitors, especially for higher trading volumes. Fifthly, user interface. While Kraken's interface might appear a bit more robust than some beginner-focused exchanges, it's incredibly powerful and intuitive once you get the hang of it. It offers a wealth of features for both novice and experienced traders, allowing for detailed analysis and precise order execution. Finally, customer support. Kraken is known for its responsive and knowledgeable customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat and a comprehensive support center, ensuring that users can get assistance whenever they need it. So, with that solid foundation of what spot trading is and why Kraken is an excellent choice, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the practicalities. The very first step on your Kraken spot trading journey is, naturally, creating an account. Head over to Kraken.com and click on Create Account. You'll need to provide your email address, a strong password, and your country of residence. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and make it at least 12 characters long. Once you've entered your details, Kraken will send a confirmation email. Click the link in that email to activate your account. Next comes the crucial step of verification. Kraken, being a regulated exchange, requires users to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer. This process is essential for security and compliance, preventing fraud and money laundering. Kraken offers several verification tiers, each unlocking higher funding and trading limits. For most users, starter or intermediate verification will suffice. For starter verification, you will typically need to provide your full name, date of birth, address, and phone number. Intermediate verification usually requires submitting a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and proof of residence, like a utility bill. The process is generally straightforward and can be completed by following the on-screen instructions. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for your verification to be processed, depending on the tier and the volume of applications. Don't skip this step. You won't be able to fund your account or trade without it. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Kraken offers various deposit methods depending on your region and the currency you wish to deposit. You can deposit fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, or CAD via bank transfers, SWIFT, SEPA, FedWire, etc., or you can deposit cryptocurrencies directly. To deposit fiat, navigate to the funding section on your Kraken dashboard and select your desired fiat currency. You will then be presented with the available deposit methods and corresponding instructions, including bank details for transfers. Be sure to include any required reference codes to ensure your deposit is correctly attributed to your account. Bank transfers can take anywhere from a few hours to a few business days to clear, depending on the method and your bank. To deposit cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit from the funding section. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. Crucially, ensure you are sending the correct cryptocurrency to the correct address. Sending Bitcoin to an Ethereum address, for example, will result in permanent loss of funds. Double-check the address before initiating the transfer from your external wallet or another exchange. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.